Hi children, now we are going to write cursive writing. Furniture, that's our topic. In your class, when you get into a class, what do you say? Table, who has a table? Teacher. And you have table at home? Yes, you have your own table, you have dining table and what not. Spell table for me. Table, table. Shall we write? Yes, table, table. Table, table. Let's write the T capital. T A B L E table. What do you use the table for? For writing, to keep the things. If you want to write nicely, you have to have a table. Okay, you stand and write? No, you sit. So what is that furniture called? You sit and write. Chair, yes. Do you have your own chair? Yes. Teacher too has her own chair. Spell chair. CHAIR, chair. Gird. CHAIR, chair. Let's write the C capital. HAI. Next, so you have a table, you have a chair, and you write. Now, in the classroom, instead of the chair, what do you have? Bench. Yes, you sit on a bench. How many will sit on a bench? Maybe 3 or 4. Sometimes 2 in a bench. Let's spell bench. BENCH, bench. It's a long piece of wood, and sometimes 2, sometimes 4 of you can sit down. Let's write bench. 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 Let's write the B capital. BENCH. Bench. So 4 friends sit in a row in a bench and you're happy, isn't it? Now, sometimes you need to climb up and fix something or hang a picture. What do you use? Tall little thing with the long 4 legs. What is that? Stool. You have short stool, tall stool so that you can climb up and fix something on the board or on the wall. Spell stool. STOOL, stool. I'm sure you have stools in the class. At home too you have. Yes? Let's write STOOL. Stool. Let's write the S capital. STOOL. Stool. Look at the 4 furnitures we have written. First, table. TABLE, table. We keep things on the table. You can keep book and write. Chair. CHAIR, chair. You sit on your chair and you keep a book on the table and do writing. Next, bench. Long piece of furniture. 4 of you can sit, sometimes 5. Bench. BENCH, bench. To put something in a corner or to climb up and put something up, you need a stool. STOOL, stool. Let's take another set of furniture. Now, when you are tiny, little baby, where do you sleep? You sleep in your own Cot, yes. You love the tiny cot, cozy cot. Spell cot. C-O-T, cot. So you sleep in your own little cot. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. Baby cot. Let's write the C capital. C O T, cot. Baby cot. Next, you sleep in your cot, whereas your dad and mom sleep on a big bed. Yes. Spell bed. B-E-D. Bed. Yes. B E D, bed. Let's write the B capital. B E D, bed. Good. Now, where do you keep your books and things? You have shelves. In the cupboard, there are shelves. Spell shelf. S-H-E-L-F, shelf. In the shelf, you can arrange your things, books and bags and whatever you want. Shelf. Spell S-H-E-L-F, shelf. S-H-E-L-F, shelf. Let's write the S capital. S-H-E-L-F, shelf. So you have cot, bed and shelf. When you enter your house, you have a big room. What's that room called? Sitting room. And what is the soft, huge piece of furniture you have? You love to sit on it. Grandma likes to sit on it. What is that? Sofa. Yes, comfortable, soft little furniture. What is the spelling? S-O-F-A, sofa. Sofas are big, huge and comfortable. Let's write S-O-F-A, sofa. What's the color of the sofa in your house? Red, brown, whatever. It depends on the color of your room. Let's write S capital. S-O-F-A, sofa. Let's look at all the four furnitures. Cot, baby cot. You sleep in your own little baby cot. C-O-T, cot. Your parents sleep in the huge bed. B-E-D, bed. You arrange all your things in a shelf. S-H-E-L-F, shelf. In the hall, very large piece of furniture, and that's called a sofa. S-O-F-A, sofa.